आदलो मंत्री बाबू आसगांवकारान कितलेय फटीचे आरोप केले तरी मडगांव मार्केटांतले अतिक्रमणा आड केल्ली कारवाय बंद जावची ना अशें मडगांवचे उपनगराध्यक्ष आनी मार्केट कमिटीचे अध्यक्ष प्रतिमा कुतिनून स्पश्ट केलां। गांधी मार्केटांत कोणाची दादागिरी चलता हें पुराय गोंयाक खबर आसा अशेंय प्रतिमा म्हणटा।
बाबू म्हणटा प्रतिमाची दादागिरी केली, फॉट मारली. Don't put these allegations are false and baseless, and good that press, even media and the news reporters were with me, accompanying me. How can a chairman touch? I have not even touched, forget kicking. It was just given authority दिली हांवें मार्केट इन्स्पेक्टराक. त्याने म्हाका सांगलें आपूण बाबूचो मनीस कितें जाता तें कर म्हणून, आनी मार्केट इन्स्पेक्टरान डायरेक्ट केलें वखजांक आनी बरे भाशेन तें काडलां. पूण जेन्ना वताले तेन्ना बाबू आयलो आनी घेराव घातलो म्हाजेर. It only shows attacking and abusing a woman shows the culture of these individuals. दादागिरी कोणाची चलता गांधी मार्केटींत ही हांवें सांगपाची गरज ना, प्रतिमान सांगपाची गरज ना. अख्खे मडगांव गांधी मार्केट आनी अख्खे गोंयाक खबर आसा that as long as I am there on the chair, I am not going to tolerate any type of illegalities. आनी जेन्ना हांव बाबूक सांगूंक सोदतां की तूं म्हणटा की एनकरेजमेंट काडचें, तूं पयलें वच आनी न्यू मार्केटांत कर, इनजस्टीस करता म्हणून. There is nothing called injustice. कोणे injustice म्हणटा ती करूं ना. 1 week before that we had gone to new market where even our chairperson was accompanying us and my market committee were there. सगळ्या मार्केटीन आमी करतली, but I am requesting the vendors, तुमचे कोणाचेच काय वायट जावपा ना, तुम्ही मिसगायड जायनाकात. हे तुमकां इन्स्टिगेट करून जे लिडर्स तुमकां मिसगायड करतात तांचे तुम्ही वाटेक लागनाका. तुम्ही आसा ते सांबाळून रावा, पूण मातशे एनक्रोचमेंट करनाका, इल्लीगल काय करनाका, बिकॉज आय विल नॉट बेंड डावन टू इट.
गोंयांत जाल्ल्या तोलानी ओपन समर ब्रिज नॅशनल सर्तींत धनपूरच्या पंगडान भांगरा जाल्यार भुवनेश्वराच्या ONRC पंगडान रुप्या चषक मेळयलो. जोडये सर्तींत कोलकाताचे वर्धन एंड सरकार जैतिवंत थारले. ही सर्त गोंय ब्रिज संघटनेन SAG आनी भारतीय ब्रिज महासंघाच्या आदारान ताळगांव कम्युनिटी हॉलांत घडोवन हाडिल्ली.
You have been following this for the last 5 days. We've played out the Tolani Silver and the Tolani Gold. The Tolani Silver was won by OSRC Bhubaneswar, and Tolani Gold is, as we speak, is being played out. But Dhampur is leading, so they're probably likely they're likely to win. And then the pairs, which was played out between 54 pairs, the event has just concluded. And the winners are Mr. Bardhan and Mr. Sarkar from Calcutta. And I'm pleased to inform you that in the 54 finalists, there were 3 pairs from Goa. That is Mr. Suresh Kamat's and partner, and Leena Mayadas and partner, and myself. And
what has been Goa's performance like? The 3 pairs that participated, how did they perform?
Well, Goa is not known to be a very strong bridge playing state, but fortunately we landed up 7th, so we are in the prize run, contention of we are a prize winner because there are 8 prizes out of 54. And in the team also 1 or 2 teams qualified, but then nobody got into semis or finals.
Amongst the winners you mentioned of the silver and gold, any major upsets, or they are the people who normally win at a national level?
Yeah, well, what could be considered an upset was Formidables, which is one of the very strong team, and it was dominating the round robin before the knockout, but then they got knocked out in the pre-quarters, partner. So, and this time it was really a big pleasure to hold full-fledged summer nationals in Goa, which attracted more than 80-85 pairs. I'm sorry, 80-85 teams. That is about 450 people that we have been hosting for the last 5 days. And we are really grateful to Taligaon Community Center, Village Panchayat of Taligaon. And we are hoping that bridge gets more and more popular in Goa. Because it's a very good sport for young students, I mean college going students, as well as and more so for older people.
You're happy with your performance?
Yeah, I would say that, but it's all thanks to my partner, who is a very senior player himself, so all thanks to him that we've done pretty well.
Thank you, Prasad. Thank you very much.
Bye.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमचे www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान खबराचेर हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.